homework checking.
All of you stand up. Hello. What? Okay now. Let's start now. Okay, take out the homework.
Sir, you don't need attention from any chapter.
I will come over there.
25.
Hello. Who Aditya? What? Sir, did I ask you what is doubt? I need to see 15 sums. Today is which day? Monday. Daily 5 sums means 3 days around. Yeah. All of you stop talking. Where is yours? Huh? Your absent means you should find out from others. You know anyone? Where is it? No. You want pen? Your pen is working. What happened? Yes. No. Yeah, no problem. Where is it? Next one.
So another notebook I'll show you to next class, 15 class.
Where is it yours? I don't know.
I'll show you with last previous sound and
No. That one I will tell you. You have. Where is it? Next yours.
Trust me, I can do
Sir,
I'll bring the
no idea. I will tell you. You got it in the class. Where I will present that only a now how is it? I need to see the date. Now it is the those who are standing and talking is double the punishment. Next time, yeah. What stand over there? Go there. Next class you will do additional. Sit down. Yours not done. Ayush. Yours not done. Ashil, you don't know your name. Yes. Dates are there. Next class onwards put the dates. What is it? History also. Hello, not this way. Next class with the dates and all you have to put it. Okay, sit down. Yes. Why? Not time. Out of town.
I was in this town.
This town. Yes.
Sir, I have done in the MBBS.
Where it is?
Sir, it is not in this book.
Not in this book. Akshita, where is your name? Where Yeah, show to me. Yeah, but that's so this is not that you will put a proper date and I need to see it regularly. Okay. Not this between this place was set over there. So, hello, you think that somewhere you would show me that it's done? That means two pages you kept over there and then we saw the here and before and after, so this page was kept on copy 15th and 16th and 17th. You think that you can hold me? Homework done? Homework done or not? Done or not? Okay, what is your yeah. Yeah. Hello. Move to this side. You come here. Come here. What is the continuous talk is going on? School. School will be in school only. Okay.
Exam portion.
Since half an hour exam portion, everyone got an exam portion. No? Now, those who are sitting over here, you have done the work. Next class onward, please put the date.
I did.
Okay, please put the date and I wanted to see. Yeah, who is sitting there? Stand there. So 1 month before homework here, the work here done and you. Hello. Yeah, recent I know what. Recently 3 pages you kept separately. And after that you would have done some probability. After that reflection. Then before that. So these 3 pages was 15 July, 15, 16, 17 July. Huh? You think others are that's not right? Yeah. Those who are standing over here, please don't tell me, listen over here. Please don't tell me that I have done it home. I will not come. Now do one thing, 8:30 onwards, give me the address. I will come to one house and I will check over. Will you now? Yes. And whichever MEPS or whatever PS is there, you bring it over here. Understood? Now, today, so let's, I have 2 options are there. Send the message first. Second option I tell you. Okay. Again, this one send the this one. The class is extended till 9:30. I will put an.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Extend that you will not stay back.
Sir, will not
Reason
be
also
there.
I'll put.
Sir, then
Without
messages.
I'll throw your book again. Since this is the first day, next class. That is all. Today is Monday, no?
Yes, sir.
Wednesday. So you are supposed to come how many questions? 10.
25.
In a week, how many days are there?
7.
So in a week, how many questions they have to do?
Or so.
No, no,
Okay.
35 sides. You don't know how many days. Yeah, look here. Okay, today no need to stay, but for 15 sums, punishment of 10 sums extra. So 15 will go to 25 plus today's 5 sums, another 12. So the next class when you are coming, you will bring 35 sums.
35 sums.
Yes, 35 sums. Those who feel I can do it and come. Now please don't tell me I was absent, I was meant to be so. Don't story that one. Understood or not? Yeah. Those who can do this one and come on Wednesday can sit down. Others I will tell you what is to be. Okay. Wow. 35 you can do now?
Sir, I think so.
You think so?
Sir, any chapter, right?
Yeah. Hello. Chapters means chapters which are coming for the exam.
Sir, midwife is coming.
Remember you will be doing
Sir, half
35
ratio proportion.
ratio proportion.
Yes.
All the questions then only start with the midwife.
Sir, half, sir.
Understood?
Sir, start.
Another story started. Yeah. Here somebody is there. My mic is on or off.
On.
What is your? Hello, Aditya. You have done the homework? Huh? Where it is? At home. So then, so do one thing, first you bring your homework, then I will clarify it out. No, because you people, I will clarify your doubts and the works are not coming. Okay, Aditya, stand up. Yeah, 2 questions only, 1 question only. Yeah, Pratik, stand up. Second bench. No, not second bench, third bench. If he sits over there, another story. That is it. Yeah. Rashing, stand up. Second bench. Who's that guy? Come, one of you come. That fellow is continuously talking. Remove that. So the teeth will go inside.
Sir, already inside.
Yeah. Sit down, sit there. Where is Aditya? I asked you to stand. Okay, what is section formula?
Formula for x it is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m2 plus m2.
And why?
Y is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2.
The section formula is used for what? Section formula is used for what? I know the formula. Used for what? Yes.
Division.
Point of division. What will be given to you? Coordinates of the end points. Point of division means point will not be given. Coordinate of the end point and the what?
Point of
Ratio of division is given. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. They are the coordinates of the which one? End point. And M1, M2 is the ratio. M1 is sit down. Okay. Yeah. Srijit. Midpoint formula. I don't know. Very good. So write 10 times all these formulas. Ayush is already seen now. Yes. Midpoint formula. Are you telling something? Hello. Whenever I ask a question, you never give the answer. This is since long time it is going on. Well, me. Ashita, you have something special or what? So you this much brain apply, for your studies. So you will get more than 70% of marks. This much brain is working for you now. So that is enough for your studies. And it's half only needed. All crooked things you know how to do now. Then you focus toward change the list of directions to apply for the study. Stand up there. So you will study right. You will also write formula 10 lines. Okay, then midpoint formula. Over. Okay, Artha.
PQ is equal to root x.
PQ. This is midpoint.
Sorry. X2 minus x1. Root
Right.
x2.
10 times right.
If C is the midpoint of a line, then m raised to 1.
You don't need to tell all story. Formula.
X equals to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y equals to y1 plus
Y1 plus Y2 divided by 2. So write 10 times is the formula. What is your problem? Don't worry about, okay? I don't think there are people to take care. You take care of your problems. Marks I don't need to tell now in the class. So sit down. So think these all things. Forget about helping others, showing the formula. That time you could have read that, you could have studied, no? No. Here, these are the forms we have done with the help. Again, listen, over here, when you do the sums, once again, just go through the questions. Okay, go through the questions and do it. And if you are unable to do means draw a rough figure and check. Then you will get the idea of how to do that and all. Okay, let's take the exercise and start doing the sums. Take the exercise. Textbook. Second. What happened to you? Take out the volume. This is volume is there in front of you now. Just take it out. Exercise 13.1. This will read the first question.
Calculate the coordinates of the point B which divides the line segment A, 1, 3 and B, 5, 9 is the ratio.
So, what is the value of x1, y1? What is the coordinate of A, nickel? Read from the book. What is the coordinate of A? Huh? What is the coordinate? What is the coordinate of? Huh?
I think he said 5.
So A, ABCD, na? What is the coordinate of A? Check in the book. So then, how many times I have to ask? What is the coordinate of B? So that is x2, y2. And what is the ratio? 1:2. Let him speak. M1:M2.
Yes, sir.
Do you know what is the formula? Tell. Now, I was thinking you are studying. Now I started studying. Now my case is looking at it. Tell the formula. Listen now. No, write 25 times. I used to tell the formula. X is equal to M1 X2 plus M2 X1 M1 into plus and Y coordinate. And Y1. Plus. Sit down, both of you. Yeah, substitute. Replace the values.
Sir, wait a second.
Path is not signed, no need to sign. Ira is absent. Neil is absent. Yeah. You replace M1 is 1. M2 is what? 5 plus 2 times 1 divided by 1 plus 2. That is equal to 5 plus 2 divided by 3. 7 by 3. And the y value M1 1, X2 is Y2 is 9 plus M2 is 2. Y2 is Y1 is 3 divided by 1 plus 2. That is 9 plus 6 divided by 3. 15 by 3. 5, which is equal to 5. That is, you have to write the final answer. Coordinate of P is 7 by 3, 5. This part we have to write. Now, another one. These are the things in. Wait, no, that I also make. Are you okay? Formula is not studying, not painting is here. All signed, no? You must have got the messages, ICSE, what is the mark last year toppers?
98.80, sir.
Sir, ask for second.
Yes, sir, for that.
Then 99 to maths 100, science 100, social studies 99. No, maths 100, maths 100. Not that one. When I tell to the next batch, we will tell. Okay, my student was getting 100 or not. Okay, then I have to tell some people. That also I have to tell now. Mark will not come. Second question. Tell. Read.
What ratio is the line joining 2 comma minus 4 and minus 3 comma 6 divided by the y-axis?
So divided by. Now mask is removed and started talking. So what all things are given? A and B means what according to the formula? Value of x1, y1 is what?
2 comma minus 4
That is A now. And B is how much?
minus 3 comma 6.
Minus 3 comma 6. Now what is the question in what ratio means what you have to find out? M1 is to M2. We take it as ratio as K is to 1. And what value divided by? That means x comma y will be equal to how much? 0 comma y. Y axis means. So we have x1, y1, x2, y2. We don't know this one, whereas we have the value of x. So which formula to be applied? Formula for x or y?
X.
X. Because x value we have x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. That is 0 is equal to m1 is what? K times x2 is minus 3 plus m2 is what? 1 times 2 divided by k plus 1. I hope all of you are following. Okay, cross multiply. 0 times k plus 1 is 0 is equal to minus 3k plus 2. That is 3k is equal to 2. Therefore, k is equal to how much? 2 upon 3. Therefore, what is the ratio? What is the ratio? 2 is to 3. 2 by 3 is to 1 means 2 is to 3. Remember. Is it they asked you to find the ratio only or something else? Only ratio. So that's all work is over. Yes. What you have to find out? Ratio means m1 is to m2. So we took m1 is to m2 as k is to 1. K is to 1. I last class also you are not there. If it is 2 is to 3, can be written as 2 by 3 is to 1. Yes or no? Therefore, this is m1 is to m2. And this is k is to 1. Understood? Both are same thing only basically. Even if you do with m1 is to m2 also, you will get the answer. There is no problem. But this is better. You will be there m1 and m2. You will get, there is no problem. Understood or not? If the point of division, but beyond that it is not asked now. Answers are not coming from you. Varun is there?
Yes, sir.
Read the next question.
So, in what ratio does the point A, 6 divide the join of minus 4, 3 and 2, 8? Also find the value of A.
Okay, so what all things are given?
Sir, x1, y1.
X1, Y1 is how much?
Sir, minus 4, 3.
Minus 4, 3.
Sir, x2, y2.
X2, Y. Huh?
2,
2, 8. Then
and the point is
M
given.
ratio is given. M1 is to M2. That is, so ratio is not given means K is to 1. And the point X
A, 6.
A, 6. So look at these are the values you got it.
So
Now
we have to find x.
first.
X.
First is in what ratio? So what you need to find out? Ratio. M1
Yes.
is to M2.
Yes.
For that one, you have the value of X.
No, sir.
What? You have the value of Y. So formula of Y will be no dreaming out. Value of Y. Y is equal to M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 divided by think and do it. Yes, who is that?
Nothing, sir.
6 is equal to M1 K times 8 plus 1 time. Those who are not followed, tell me.
Sir, in the previous sum, we don't have y value, so we have taken x equal to.
Look here, X comma Y is there now.
Yes.
Check over here, what value you have.
Sir, x value are so
we use the x
formula of y.
Huh?
We
We
don't
use the
have
formula. So that is it. So the question was ratio, that is enough. Here beyond that also is there. So here what value you have? Y value. So we use the Y value for. Understood or not? Okay. So cross multiply. 6k plus 6 is equal to 8k plus 3. Then you can take it as 6 minus 3 is equal to 8k minus 6k. That is 2k is equal to 3. K is 3 by 2. Therefore, ratio is how much? Ratio is equal to 3:2. That is the first answer. Now we have also, it is not enough. We have to find out the value of for A. Value of A no? Means X value. So we write M1 is to M2. What is M1 is to M2? You got ratio of 3:2. Therefore, X is equal to M1 X2 plus M2 X1. Not very complicated, I am telling you. Only you have to think that too. Then X value means A, M1 3, X2 2 plus 2 times minus 4 divided by 3 plus 1. That is equal to 6 minus 8 divided by 5.
So what is that written
After K, ratio.
after? Sir, K is equal to.
K is equal, tell me from here what is K equal to? I, K is equal to tell na.
Sorry.
What is your problem? Hey, everything you have to reply. Huh? Tell me, can you read this one? So 2 by 3 only. So sometimes use the brain also.
Sir, already.
All the using, not for studies. Other than studies, your brain works very well. Perfect score 100. In the case of studies, 0. 6K minus 2K. So K, A is equal to minus 2 by 5. All of you got?
Yes.
Now read the question. What are the values you need to find out? A and ratio only, no?
Yes, sir.
A and ratio only. Okay. Understood, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Only A. A ratio as now. Okay. Okay. Understood.
Yes, sir.
Akansha,
Yes, sir.
stand up. Next question.
In what ratio is the joint of 4,3 and 2,-6 divided by the x-axis? Also, find the coordinates of the point of intersection.
So come and do it. Values you can write over there. X1 by Y1 is there. Huh? What all values are there? Mobile is ringing, no? X1 Y1 is Pratik. Are you doing the sum?
Yes, sir.
So ratio is given or not? Kansha.
No, sir.
So that is A is to 1, right? Then something else is given. X comma Y is
That's the ratio.
ratio is given.
X-axis.
Divide, where is ratio is given? What
Ratio is
ratio?
given. X-axis.
On the
Y is
x-axis.
x-axis, all right. X is 2 y, X comma Y is how
Y
many?
is equals to x comma 0.
X comma 0.
Then do we use the formula? Whose value? Akansha, look at there, what value now? Y value, so Y is equal to M1 by 2 plus replace the values. You know, we left side also replace A y2, and if the value of y2 minus 6 now.
Yes.
Pratik or what?
सर मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ सर ये बाकी है मेरे पास
What k is equal to minus 2 upon 2? So k is equal to 1 by 2, therefore not write that way, m1 is to m2. Ratio is m1 is to m2 is equal to 1 is to 2. That is all. What is the element? Also point of division now.
Yes, sir.
So write x, y value you have, x value only element. X is equal to
What the answer?
who is that? Paritosh.
Sir, you have signed out 1 by 2.
Okay, no, you look over here and do that.
Okay, sir. I will show questions. Bye.
Therefore, what is the point?
10 by 3 should be.
No.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Come back. A is equal to 1 by 2. Correct.
So it's showing factor.
Okay, now you need to see your work now. Okay. Chalo, done.
Sir, can I do the?
Kushagra, stand up.
Yes, sir.
Read the question.
Yes, sir. Two points A, B, C, and D divide the line segment joining the point 5, minus 10 and the origin in 5 equal parts. Find the coordinates of A, B, C, and D.
What is for you? If you want to make a graphic around, so you can you graph the right side.
Right.
Viju sir, can I take your 1 minute time?
With that, someone is hiding and doing the work.
Say good evening, sir. Dwarka here.
Good evening. Good evening.
How are you?
Yeah. You want now the
Only 1 minute. Only 1 minute.
okay 15 and
Huh?
second.
Dear students, just listen. This month's doubt solving is there on 23rd, 24th, and 30th and 31st. Okay, here little changes are there. You are not getting your links, that is sign up links on your WhatsApp. For this, you have to go to our website, and we have shared the graphic also. Please check the links on your our UT website www.universaltutorials.com by using your login ID and password. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
If any doubts, you can call me or you can share WhatsApp me. Okay. And please attend maximum utilize this session, monthly doubt solving session.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you,
Viju sir is always telling no students are coming because you don't have any doubts, I think.
Yeah, perfect now. Next week, next year you will see, this year how many 100 on 100 was there? So next year,
Sir, Koperkher ne.
no,
ICSE.
what did I read? No, wait and see, Kargar all will be 100 on 100s. No
Very
doubts,
good.
no.
My best wishes are there. And
Bye,
sir
bye.
is getting angry nowadays.
Agitated.
Sir, thank you so much. Bye bye.
Okay, then, bye.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Those who are doubts will come and clarify. Arey, this one lecture you time pass doing out. Already you are late already now. All these one stories are coming. Feeling sleepy. How much you sleep here? In a day, how many hours you sleep? Only 5. Night also. Meanwhile, 6 to 7 hours sleep. That is why your sleep is incomplete. Good. Yeah. Yeah. All. Now.
A, B, and C.
Read the question.
Yes, sir. Points A, B, C, and D divide the line segment joining the point 5, minus 10 and the origin in 5 equal parts. Find the coordinates of A, B, C, and D.
Okay, so what you have to see that it's very important thing, from where to where. Remember, ratio 2:3 and 3:2 are different things. What is the meaning of 2:3? 2 by 3. 3:2. So if you write 1:4 and 4:1, be careful. So starting is, let's say, P and ending. So that is why. No. Okay, Q origin over right now. Why you have to write Q? Okay. Now, therefore, now how do you do? How do you get A? Diagram is Why that?
That 5 minus 10 will come in the fourth quadrant.
Hello, are you drawn the x-axis and y-axis? No, leave that one. This is rough figure, that's all. You can do it. What do you want now? Are you giving anything?
It's a 2 minutes only. PA is equal to PO.
Oh, thank you. Is it PA, AB, BC, CD, DO all are equal?
All are equal.
So write 1, 1, 1, 1 right on the top.
Sir, how they all are equal?
Did you read the question? Read the question loud. Arey, no need dot, just 1, 1, 1 do you write? Okay. So below right, A divides PO in the ratio.
1:2.
Who asked? Then apply x1 y1 here.
Oh yes.
Right, x1 y1 is equal to.
Yes.
Pass. Again, don't tell 1 minute, okay?
Yes.
x2 y2. M1 is to M2. XY you have to find out now. M1 is 2. M2 is equal to. Now x is equal. Yes, Pratik. What? Read loudly the question.
Point A, B, C, and D divides the line segment joining the point 5, minus 10, and the origin is 5 equal parts. Find the coordinates of A, B, C, and D.
Did you follow that figure? So 5 equal part means all are equal now.
Sir.
Equal things you can write. Pratik is to Panga is to Panga is to Panga. All equal. Okay.
Sir, but I did not understand why it became 1:4.
This is PA contains one part now and AB contains how many counting you know? 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So now I will tell you something interesting for me, not interesting for you. Okay, who is coming in with you at 8:40?
Sir, I knew that you will ask.
I heard that conversation also.
That means fine.
Your father was talking to you. Are you disturbing any class? Today I'll go.
Sir, I go back only.
Not worry. I will take care.
Sir, what I did?
Hello, this paragraph writing one page, you do 10 words in it, you cannot write over here. One time, what is x2? 0 plus 4 times 5 divided by 1 plus 4. That is equal to 20 by 5 is 4. Okay, one time, how much? 0 times 4 times minus 10 upon 1 plus 4. That is equal to 40, that is equal to minus 8. Therefore, coordinate of A is 5, minus 8. Now you have to, my friend, you have to find out which all values. I need this all till we completed this 5. So God, now write B. Everything should be over here. I will not allow even more. 4, 5, 4.
Yes, sir.
4, minus 8. To continue, just write D divides. B divides what ratio?
So this is a 4 mark question.
Huh?
This is a 4 mark question.
Mark you forget now. So 4.4. Hello, ICSE, all of you seen the change in the syllabus?
15 mark MCQ, sir.
15 mark MCQs are there. There are 4 mark questions are there. 3 mark questions are there. 5 mark questions are there. 6 mark questions are there.
5 for reflection.
It is nothing like from reflection only 5 will come on. That means the sample paper is given. You can get the question by it.
Probability sample space.
Understood or not?
Sir, 10 marks also.
Ratio only. There is not 10 mark questions. Hello, right? This man time pass only doing. Already one formula written now.
But it's easier for reference.
Okay, 2 times. What is it? 0 plus 3 times 5 divided by.
Sir, I do quickly.
Y is equal to 2 times 0 plus 3 times minus 10 divided by 2 plus. How much? 15 by 5, 3. How much? Minus 30 by 5, minus 6.
Yes, sir, I'm trying.
9, 7.
Okay, now don't make me to do again, okay? See, you're so excited. I'm going to meet your father. What?
Sir,
This over? What happened now? Tell me.
No, sir, 6 question.
6 question, 67 question now. This is the question. Actually, this is done. You can just change these all values. 3 times 0, 2 times. That only value changing now. Plus 2 times minus 10. Divided by
Minus 20 over 5.
Srijit, from here one class is going on, other side no lecture, okay? They will, UT will pay me only, not to you, for the lectures. I was thinking, are you should have one.
0% GST.
Nice. Are you good?
Next year, mommy will be-
What you writing? 1 time minus 3. Understand?
Oh, sorry.
Every question I am telling you something, no? Every part. Kushagra,
Sorry.
Kushagra only, no?
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Swastika, you are there?
Yes, sir, I'm there.
You came later, what?
Sir, done.
Studying now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You got the ICSE result of UT?
Yes, sir, I saw.
You'd like to be a student of UT.
Next year we will see your name also there.
So you will see my.
Yeah. All of your names. I like.
सिर्फ बोलने के काम आते हैं
Sir, I get
करके कोई नहीं दिखाएगा मेरे अलावा
Yeah. Completed all of you.
sir.
Yeah. Question done. All of you.
No, sir.
No.
Right.
Copy.
No, sir. Sir, I know how to do. How to solve.
Question number. Cham. What are Aditya?
Sir, both are
talking about Snapchat.
Aditya.
Aditya, very disturbing
What is your
student.
problem? He is
He was
talking to
asking
me.
me something.
He is talking to me now. Asim is talking to you now. Who asked you to reply? Ramavi is stand up. Next question read. Samarth run away or? Samarth. In between, why you are switching off the video? Yeah.
B is a point on the line joining A and B such that 5 AP is equal
5 AP is equal
to
to?
2B.
Okay.
A is 4,
A is 4 comma.
3. B is minus 2, 6.
Paritosh.
Yes.
And then what do you have to find out?
Sir.
Find the coordinates of the point.
Okay, then how to do? Do you have x1, y1?
Yes.
What is x1, y1?
4,
And x2, y2?
minus 2,
And m1 is to m2?
2 upon 5. 2 upon 5.
5 is to? Why are you looking here and there and telling? You look at me and tell. Look over here and tell the condition. What is m1 is to m2 in this question?
5
What is m1 is to m2 in this question? Which ratio? Paritosh, look over here. She will. You don't need to watch. You have to listen only. How did you get? I asked you what is M1 is to M2. It is AP upon PB. Understood? So what is AP upon PB? Down now. Is it 5 by 2 or 2 by 5? One thing you know, no? Cross multiply. PB will come down. Pi will go down. 2 by 5. Therefore, M1 is to M2 is how much?
2 by 5.
2 is to 5. Don't worry. Zindagi will be okay. Zindagi is in my hand.
Sir, पेपरों आ जाते हाथ में मेरे।
Don't worry. Papa Panga will be taking care of it.
Sir, he gone. He gone. Where he gone?
I have the number now.
Sir, मम्मी पंगा। कल ही तो लेने आऊँ। आज शाम के 6 बजे फ्लाइट है।
Do the question. Do you have all the values? Now, not to wait to copy down. Find out the values. Majority is looking at the one and as it is. Copying only. Ayush. Who? Take it back. Do the work. Find out the value of x and y. That only you have to do it. How many of you got the answer? Only 2, 3, 4. 10 minutes ago. Who is that 10 minutes ago, man? Write the formula and substitute. Brahma Queen. Do the work.
AP is equal to 2.
Then do the question. Directly substitute. You have x1, y1, x2, y2 and m1 is to m2. All values are there. Formula, right? Formula, those who don't know, copy from here. Substitute. Footballer, please do. Srijit got the answer. Today you will get. Then do fast. Still nobody is doing, I will do. Two times. Yeah, I know. So you will tell more now means I will do more fast so that your work will be done now.
7.
Plus 5 times 4. You want to try 2 plus 5. That is equal to how much? 16 upon 7.
I is equal to 27 by 7.
2 times
6. 6 plus 5 times 3.
plus 5 times 3.
Divided by 2 plus 5.
12 plus 15.
12 plus 15, 27. Divided by 7.
Therefore, coordinate of B. After I write, answers will come.
Sir, I wrote already.
Sir,
Alternative.
challenging you.
How many of you got the answer now?
Not earlier.
Yeah. Completed all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. That was the question number which one? 6, 7th one. Okay. Mr. Paritosh. Stand up. Read. 10 minutes back you got the answer now.
Calculate the ratio in which the line joining the points -3, -1 and 5, 7 is divided by the line x equal to 2. Also find the coordinates of the point of intersection.
What for you?
Very easy question.
Sir, really let me.
Kushagra, move to side. Right, what is x1, y1, x2? Arey, come out here. What all drama are you doing? Still remember your ratio proportion paper, okay?
Sir, increase
I know. How much increased time? X1, y1. X1, y1 is what? -3, -1.
Yes, sir.
X2, y2.
5, 7.
What you do in your book? Done. M1 is to M2. That also point or what? Ratio is coordinate or what? Is equal to. You have to calculate the ratio. No. Read the question.
that was the point. Okay.
is to 1, x is to y. X equal to 2 and y value you don't know, that is y. It is not x axis. Now, which formula you have to use, x or y? X. Who is that? Not that k is to 1 bracket. Other bracket you put. Ayush, what happened? Ashit? No. What happened? What is it into?
Sir, wait, sir.
Hello? Now, complete the work. Two plus 3. All others completed here. Fast. K is equal to ratio right above. Now you have to find out the point also, no? So right, M1 is to M2 equal to M1 is to M2 is equal to. Yeah, I know.
Sir, one doubt.
What is the doubt?
8 questions.
Huh?
8 questions.
This is a 7th question. Let him complete
Sir, I
8
will
questions.
complete.
7th question I will ask you to do.
So just one question. Y is equals to 0, right?
Hmm?
A is given over here.
Hmm.
Y is equals to 0. X is equals to 0. Yes, sir.
Minus 3 divided by 8. 32 by 8 equal to 4. Therefore, the point is. What is it? There you write here where you going. Point is 2, 2, 4. Okay, it's a point. Okay. Bye bye.
Sir, answer is 4.
What answer is for?
Sir, y value.
You have to get the value of point of division means coordinate you have to write. Okay, Shambhavi, stand up. Read the next question.
दूसरी बार पंगा दूसरी बार
So what is A here? Tell me which is A is what? X comma 0. Then you can take as, let's say A is equal to A comma 0. And B is what? So that means x1 y1 is the pointer. Then x2 y2 is what?
0, B.
0 comma B. Because it's on y axis, because x and y we are using, okay. And ratio m1 is to m2. 2 is to 5. Then what ratio and point is how much? X comma y.
X, Y is equals to 5.
Pointer.
5 minus 4.
Sure, no? Sure. 5 comma minus 4. Now you directly use the formula. Then you will get the correspondingly A and B. X formula use x equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Nikhil, do you know the formula now?
Yes.
Nikhil?
Yes, sir.
So x value is 5. M1 is 2. X2 is how much? 0. M2 is what? 4, 5. X1 is what? A divided by 2 plus 5. I'm seeing whether you are sleeping or not. 5A divided by 7.
Sir, A equals to 7.
Oh, who's that? Smartphone? Ara. So, still not. Nikhil, formula for Y. You're reading from the book?
No, sir, he didn't.
Smart boy. Therefore, Y value is -4. M1 is how much? 2. Y2 is what? B plus M2. 5 times Y1 is 0 divided by 2 plus 5. -4 is equal to 2B upon 7. B is equal to -4 into 7 by 2. Match. Therefore, coordinate of A is how much? 7, 0. Coordinate of B 0, -. Are you able to do? Yes or no?
Understand.
Yes, sir.
You are not practicing at home. Samarth, are you following?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Swastika none. Swastika.
Yes, sir, I did all 10.
Okay. Okay, Swastika, read the next question. Swastika, read the next question. You muted and unmute.
Unmute. One. Okay.
No, sir, I was unmuted. Sir, I
Okay.
completed the exercise.
Read the next question. Really?
Line segment joining the point M57 and G minus C2 is intersected by the y-axis at point L. Write down the abscissa of L.
Abscissa.
Abscissa of L. Hence, find the ratio which L divides M and also find coordinate of L.
You know what you mean by abscissa?
Yes.
Abscissa means x coordinate. Where is L?
On axis.
On x-axis.
Sir, on abscissa.
On abscissa. Where is L? Where is L? Read the question and identify. Between them. Where is L? Hello, Miro. Where is L? Tell loudly. Right. Since L is a point on y-axis, write down. Right. Since L is a point on y-axis, abscissa of L is 0. Y-axis. Abscissa of not y. Abscissa of L is 0.
Yes, sir.
That is the first value you have to get. Okay, that is 1 mark. Then second part, what do you have to find out? Ratio, no? Yes or no? So right, x1 comma y1 is equal to x1 comma y1 is equal to what is it? 5 comma 7. x2 comma y2 is equal to minus 3 comma 2. M1 is to M2. Right, k is to 1.
We have to
Not
find
now. So k is to 1. Then x comma y is equal to. It is on y-axis now. 0 comma y. Written. Very good, Ishmi. Now, at least you said good. Now, how to do it? Which formula to be used? X formula. Still you are not pleased. Okay. So right, x is equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2. So x value is how much? 0. 0. K times what is the value of x2? Minus 3 plus 1 time x1. X1
X1 is 5.
5. So 0 is equal to minus 3k. What this will be? Oxygen is not there, right? Therefore, ratio you got. What is the ratio? 5:3. Now, therefore, M1 is to M2 is equal to 5:3. Then you also have to find out the point of division now. Coordinator well.
Yes.
Replace. Ayush, hello. My hero, please do.
Sir, आपने किसको
Okay. So then 5 times. What is Y2? Y2. Y1
Y1 7.
upon 5 plus 3. 10 plus 21 divided by 8. 31 upon 8. Therefore, L is what? 0, 31 upon 8. This is the third part. First one was abscissa you wrote 0. Then the next one is what? Ratio 5:3. And the point is 0, are you following?
Yes, sir.
Practice.
Sir, one sum remains.
One summer. Okay, that we will do. Don't worry. Because father I have to meet him. Now, look here. Homework already I have given. Next class you will just see it. You cannot do.
Sir, can
You can't do. There is a way. You can you do not? 35 of you can do not. They will do. Tell now. No problem. Absolutely no.
can we do homework? Mechanical engineering doing उसके बारे में डॉगी के बारे में